The Templar Church in Templetown, County Wexford, Ireland, is a site steeped in history and legend reflecting the enigmatic legacy of the Knights Templar in Ireland. This church, located on the Hook Peninsula, was once part of a larger complex that served as a preceptory for the Templars, a powerful and secretive military and religious order founded during the Crusades. Origins and establishment. The Knights Templar, founded in 1119, rapidly expanded their influence across Europe. By the mid-12th century, they had established a presence in Ireland, acquiring land and building preceptories. Templetown, originally known as Bailey and Templar, became one of their key settlements. The Templars were granted lands here by Henry II of England, who sought to strengthen his control over Ireland following the Norman invasion. Architectural features. The Templar Church in Templetown is a remarkable example of early Gothic architecture, characterized by its austere yet imposing design. The structure is relatively simple, with a rectangular nave and chancel, but it includes distinctive features such as pointed arches and narrow windows, typical of Templar constructions. The church's layout reflects the Templars' dual mission of monastic devotion and military readiness. Role and function. The preceptory at Templetown served multiple functions. It was a religious centre where the Templars could observe their monastic rule, a military base from which they could launch operations, and an economic hub where they managed extensive agricultural lands and other assets. The Templars were known for their administrative prowess and played a significant role in local governance and economy. Suppression and legacy. The Knights Templar faced suppression in the early 14th century, primarily due to the growing power and wealth that provoked envy and suspicion among European monarchs. In 1307, under pressure from King Philip IV of France, Pope Clement V disbanded the order. In Ireland, the Templars' properties, including the preceptory at Templetown, were transferred to the Knights Hospitaller, another military order. Despite their dissolution, the Templars left an indelible mark on the region. The church and surrounding area continue to bear the name Templetown, a testament to their enduring legacy. Local folklore and legend have kept the memory of the Templars alive, with tales of hidden treasures and secret tunnels adding a layer of mystique to the site. Modern times today, the Templar Church in Templetown stands as a historical monument, attracting visitors interested in medieval history and the enigmatic story of the Knights Templar. The ruins, though weathered by time, evoke a sense of the past and the enduring allure of the Templars' legacy. Efforts to preserve the site have ensured that this fascinating chapter of Irish history remains accessible to future generations. In summary, the Templar Church in Templetown, County Wexford, is a fascinating relic of the medieval period, offering insights into the lives and activities of the Knights Templar in Ireland. Its historical significance and the legends that surround it continue to captivate the imagination of visitors and scholars alike. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more brief history of Ireland's historical landmarks. Thanks for watching.
Where the hills meet the sky.